Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yugliku to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'ilun mudari, present tense. Fi'ilun mudari, present continuous tense. Fi'ilun mudari, this is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called fi'ilun mudari. The question is, how do we change the verb yugliq to suit the pronouns below? Yugliku simply means he is closing. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb yugliku to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb yugliku to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb yugliku will now become ugliku, which means I am closing. Ithnan, number two, nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb yugliku to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb yugliku will now become nugliku, which means we are closing. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb yugliku to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb yugliku will now become togliku, which means you are closing. Arba'a, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb yugliku to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach yaun and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yugliku will now become toglikina, which means you are closing. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Hamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb yugliku to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb yugliku will now become tugliku, which means she is closing. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and yaun to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahiz, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahiz, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something will happen. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing will happen. For instance, Wahid, number one, yugliku, he will close. La yugliku, he will not close. Ithnan, number two, togliku, she will close. La togliku, she will not close. Thalatha, number three, ogliku, I will close. La ogliku, I will not close. Arba'a, number four, nogliku, we will close. La nogliku, we will not close. Hamsa, number five, tugliku, you will close. Talking to a single male person. La tugliku, you will not close. Sitta, number six, tuglikina, you will close. Talking to a single female person. La tuglikina, you will not close. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. الاستعمال noun the usage. واحد number one. بماذا يغلق خالد الباب؟ بماذا يغلق خالد الباب؟ بماذا يغلق خالد الباب؟ What does Khalid close the door with? بماذا يغلق خالد الباب? What does Khalid close the door with? Meaning, what does he use to close the door? What does Khalid use to close the door? Now the answer. يغلق خالد الباب بالكفل. يغلق خالد الباب بالكفل. يغلق خالد الباب بالكفل. Khalid closes the door with padlock. يغلق خالد الباب بالكفل. Khalid closes the door with padlock. اثنان number two. ماذا تغلق زينب؟ ماذا تغلق زينب؟ What is Zainab closing? ماذا تغلق زينب? What is Zainab closing? Now the answer. تغلق زينب باب الفصل. تغلق زينب باب الفصل. Zainab is closing the door of the classroom. تغلق زينب باب الفصل. Zainab is closing the door of the classroom. ثلاثة number three. هل تغلق الباب عند الخروج يا خالد؟ هل تغلق الباب عند الخروج يا خالد؟ هل تغلق الباب? Do you close the door عند الخروج while going out? يا خالد خالد. هل تغلق الباب? Do you close the door عند الخروج while going out? يا خالد خالد. Now the answer. لا أغلق الباب عند الخروج. لا أغلق الباب عند الخروج. لا أغلق الباب. I don't close the door عند الخروج while going out. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أربعة number four. لماذا تغلقين النافذة يا زينب؟ لماذا تغلقين النافذة يا زينب؟ لماذا تغلقين النافذة؟ Why are you closing the window? يا زينب زينب. لماذا تغلقين النافذة? Why are you closing the window? يا زينب زينب. Now the answer. أغلق النافذة للبرد. أغلق النافذة للبرد. أغلق النافذة. I am closing the window. للبرد because of cold. أغلق النافذة. I am closing the window. للبرد because of cold. خمسة number five. متى تغلقان الأبواب؟ متى تغلقان الأبواب؟ When do you both close the doors? متى تغلقان الأبواب? When do you both close the doors? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. Know the answer. نغلق الأبواب قبل صلاة المغرب. نغلق الأبواب قبل صلاة المغرب. نغلق الأبواب. We close the doors قبل صلاة المغرب. Before the sunset prayer. نغلق الأبواب. We close the doors قبل صلاة المغرب. Before the sunset prayer. ستة number 6. متى تغلقن الدكان يا بنات؟ متى تغلقن الدكان يا بنات؟ متى تغلقن الدكان؟ When will you close the shop? يا بنات guess. متى تغلقن الدكان? When will you close the shop? يا بنات guess. Now the answer. سنغلق الدكان بعد صلاة العصر. سنغلق الدكان بعد صلاة العصر. سنغلق الدكان. We will close the shop بعد صلاة العصر. After the Asr prayer. سنغلق الدكان. We will close the shop بعد صلاة العصر. After Asr prayer. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبعة number 7. متى تغلقون الأبواب يا أبناء؟ متى تغلقون الأبواب يا أبناء؟ متى تغلقون الأبواب? When will you all close the doors? يا أبناء boys. متى تغلقون الأبواب? When will you all close the doors? يا أبناء boys. Now the answer. سنغلق الأبواب بعد خروج الجماعة. سنغلق الأبواب بعد خروج الجماعة سنغلق الأبواب. We will close the doors. بعد خروج الجماعة, after the congregation had left. سنغلق الأبواب. We will close the doors. بعد خروج الجماعة, after the congregation had left. 8. Number 8. متى تغلقن النوافذ يا بنات؟ متى تغلقن النوافذ يا بنات؟ متى تغلقن النوافذ? When will you all close the windows يا بنات? Guess. Now the answer. سنغلق النوافذ عند نزول المطر. سنغلق النوافذ عند نزول المطر. سنغلق النوافذ. We will close the windows عند نزول المطر, when it is raining. سنغلق النوافذ. We will close the windows عند نزول المطر, when it is raining. Remember, al-matar means airport, while al-matar means rain. Al-matar, airport. Al-mataru, rain. Al-matar, al-matar, airport. Al-matar, rain. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 9. Number 9. أريد أن أغلق الباب. أريد أن أغلق الباب. I want to close the door. أريد أن أغلق الباب. I want to close the door. أريد إغلاق الباب. أريد إغلاق الباب. I want to close the door. Both are correct. Either أريد أن أغلق الباب or أريد إغلاق الباب. They mean the same thing. I want to close the door. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between madin past tense and mudari'un present tense in Arabic. Wahid number 1. Huwa, he. Aglaqa, he has closed or he closed. Yugliku, he is closing or he closes. Ithnan number 2. Here, she. Aglaqat, she has closed or she closed. Togliku, she is closing or she closes. Thalatha number 3. Ana, I. Aglaqtu, I have closed or I closed. Ogliku, I am closing or I close. Arba number 4. Nahanu, we. Aglaqna, we have closed or we closed. Nugliku, we are closing or we close. Hamsa number 5. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Aglaqta, you have closed or you closed. Tugliku, you are closing or you close. Sita number 6. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Aglaqti, you have closed or you closed. Tuglikina, you are closing or you close. Sab'a number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Aglaqtum, you have all closed or you all closed. Tuglikuna, you are all closing or you all close. Thamania number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Aglaqtunna, you have all closed or you all closed. Tuglikna, you are all closing or you all close. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.